Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Alibert. This is Nishank, and I will be explaining here the Pentaho ninth version, how to read a JSON file and write it to the text file out. Okay, so let me open the interface, spoon interface. This is the spoon interface, and this is the transformation which I have already created to read the JSON input and writing it to the text file output. So what exactly you need to do? So first let me tell you the JSON file which it looks like. JSON, then read nested file. This is my JSON sample file which I want to read. So it looks like these are the keys and the values. These are the keys. Inside this we have several nested block. So this basically represents to the JSON nested file. So what exactly is nested? Inside the key we further have the keys and values. Okay, so this is the twist in the nested JSON file. So how I read this using the Pentaho 9th version? First you have to just type the JSON. Here you see the JSON input steps under the design panel. Once you drag it in the interface, it looks something like this. And then you have to just double click it. You have to give the input file path, which is there. You can do it using the browse also. And in the content tab you have multiple checkbox where you can select this. Then you have fields where exactly we need to do what we want from the JSON file. So let me quickly go to the JSON file. Then you see we have to extract the ID part, which is inside the submission, and then response. So here you have to give it dollar decimal or dot response dot submission and then dot ID. So we want the value of this ID. That's why we gave dot as ID. So Pentaho will understand, and this is the key for which we want the value. And submission ID, you whatever name you want, you can give it like this. Then you have the data where you can give dollar dot response dot submission dot data. So inside the data, we want all the values to be in the column right now. Okay, so once you do preview, it will be something look like this. We have two records which is there with the day field values inside this data block. Okay, and the main thing which we are going to do in the next step is the extracting the JSON nested files. Okay, so here you have to give the field name as the data which contain the keys and values. So if you give first you have to select on this previous step checkbox. Here you have to give the data. Then inside the field tab, you have the field and value, which is user defined. Then you have to give the path. Since we want the key value for this field and the value for this field, that's why we give dollar dot field dot value and the data type. Okay. And whatever column we want to extract, we give this out of previous step. So we also have data, but we don't want since we extract the fields and values from that data. We give these three fields and then we keep like this. And we have the text output step. Everything you have to drag it using here. So here you if you write the text, then you will see the text file input and output. Since we want this, so we have extracted this. Then we have to give the output file location. Since this is a file name which we want in the output, we have given the file name here. And then we have the text as a default. So whatever separation you want to your fields will be, and you can give like this semicolon, comma, whatever you want, or insert tab by clicking here. And whatever field we want, we can just directly do it by get fields. So these fields will be coming here, and then press OK. So after design, it looks like this. Then once we run this transformation after saving, then it quickly run and it creates my target output file. So target output file is this. If I double click on this to see how it looks like, so it looks like something like this. You can verify all the data which is there in the JSON we have successfully converted into the text file output. The name as file output.txt. So here you can see how I convert the JSON file to a text file output. If you really like the video, just do a like to the to my channel and to my video. And if you have any concerns with respect to the JSON file read using the Pentaho, then you can directly comment me on this video. Just go to this video link, comment under down, and to my channel, you can just drop a comment. I will respond as soon as I see. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. If you really like the video, just do a share, subscribe, and like. Thank you for watching the video.